Hello, I'm Tony. Welcome to Spare Technology, the largest freezing and heating equipment manufacturer in China. Today, I'm going to introduce you our star product, the continuous fryer. Continuous fryer is widely used in meat products, seafood, and pastries. The belt width can be 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 1 meters, and the length can be anywhere between 3 meters to 11 meters. The heat exchanger is quite big, and it takes a lot of space in the oil tank, so that the oil required to fill the tank can be less. Oil is filtered before being pumped to the front of the fryer. Oil is circulated in the tank so that the temperature is even through the oil tank. The products enter the fryer on a non-stick Teflon belt, where a surface crust is formed. The products are then transferred to the main belt for further cooking. The sediment remover is provided to remove the sediment from the tank bottom. The speed can be adjustable with the inverter. The gap can be adjusted on the touch screen. The two conveyors will move to the location automatically. For safety reasons, only 2 persons push the button at the same time can fryer be lowered. We insist to use screws elevator. It's safe and saves space. The gap between the main conveyor and the hold-down conveyor can be adjusted. The tank has a 70 mm thick insulation. The heat leakage is minimized. An external guard is provided to the tank, so when you touch the guard, you don't feel heat. The top cover of the fryer also has 70 mm thick insulation. It can prevent the heat from leaking into the environment. The smoke generated by the fryer will be discharged through the exhaust tube. The exhaust tube includes steel wire filter, adjustable shutter, and emergency shutter. The CO2 gas extinguisher is installed. In the event of a fire, CO2 will be released through nozzles under the hood to quickly quench the flames. Top cover drops. The water in the groove will provide a perfect sealing to constrain the air and heat inside the fryer. The CIP system has high-pressure nozzles to clean the fryer's hood, which is hard to clean by hand. The hood, conveyor, heating elements can all be elevated out of the oil tank to make it more accessible for cleaning. Welcome to Spare Technology Group, the largest freezing equipment manufacturer in China.